Sorry for the extremely shaky footage, but this is another new bird. At first I thought it was a common grackle, but it's actually far more colorful than that. I've seen it in my bird book, but I didn't have time to grab the bird book to get the name of this bird, because I wanted to make sure to get it on film. Oh, and there's another one. And another one. Today has been a very eventful day as far as the birds go. And the raccoons. I don't know if this is because I put in the new bird feeder or what's going on, but some new birds there. Let me see if there's still some goldfinches at the feeder. And they left. There are the goldfinches as well as a downy woodpecker over there. But I will, in the description, be able to identify that bird or birds.